Hey, what's up guys, welcome back, and today I'm in my front yard. Yeah, I know, a bit weird, right? Anyways, I got the $17 5-line mic on, and we're going to talk about my personal rig. So to start off with, the case is DIY PC T1R. The R stands for red because it is a red version. There's also a blue version, and I picked this case up for just 27 bucks. Not a bad deal. So as you can see here, the case is a bit dirty as it's been in my basement and being used a lot, and yeah, it needs to be cleaned. So let's clean it. Next, moving to the inside, I have an Intel DZ77SL50K motherboard and an i5-2400 clocked at 3.3 gigahertz. Also 8 gigs of RAM and an RX 460, is it 460? Yeah. A power supply, I got a 400 watt, and I can't remember the brand off the top of my head right now, but you will see it now. So as you can see on my CPU cooler there, I have a fan literally zip tied on the thing. And that is because the fan that I had on it before wasn't achieving the temps that I wanted, and so I just, zippy tied a fan on there. Why not? You don't get to see it anyways, so I did it. So a few things has changed obviously since you've seen my personal rig. That being the case, the power supply, and the GPU, and the CPU actually. So what are they now? Obviously I have the i5-2400, I've had the solo T1R case, but I didn't have it on the last video because for some reason I wanted to switch it over to the other case, blah 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 blah, just a bunch of crap. And my GPU, which is actually the most expensive, that's the most expensive thing I've replaced. I got it on sale at Best Buy for $130, and it's been doing good ever since, except for the only thing I don't like about the AMD cards is their software. You may tell me different in the comments, but what I've experienced, the software is just bad, and it may just be the adapters I use, but I do not like the software. I like NVIDIA a lot better. Kill me in the comments, I know. So for my storage, I got a 500 gigabyte Western Digital drive and a 320 gigabyte Seagate drive. Now, you see this Xbox drive on the screen right now? Yes, I literally have that where I can use it with my PC because I need the storage, okay? So I have like a terabyte and something with all three hard drives combined. Yeah, you do the math. It's a 250 gigabyte hard drive, 320 gigabyte hard drive, and a 500 gigabyte hard drive. Voila. So with all that being said, what upgrade should I make next? Tell me down in the comments, and I'm gonna say some right now that I think that should be made. Well, obviously the case, I do need a tempered glass case, or I was thinking more around the Fractal Design R5 kind of case. I obviously need to upgrade to Ryzen or a newer Intel. Graphics card, maybe, just the whole PC in general needs to be upgraded. I think it might be time for a new computer next time I upgrade because all my components in that computer are aging. The motherboard, the RAM, the CPU, the GPU is pretty new, but it's not top of the line, which, I kind of want top of the line. I don't know if I already said, but the power supply is aging, so there's that. So now, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.